Alright, welcome back everybody. We're going to be whipping up some dinner here. And for dinner we're going to be using some Butler Soy Curls. So if you've never actually used these, they're pretty awesome, pretty versatile. You can use them in all kinds of stuff. Tonight we're going to be using them in a stir fry. So I have 50 grams of the soy curls set aside here. We got to soak these for 10 minutes and then get all the water out of them. After we soak them, we'll squeeze the water out. So while we're doing that, we're going to prepare our other stuff. We got some rice, so 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and the sauce that we're going to be using for the stir fry is our peanut sesame sauce, which if you don't know how to make this, I will include a link to the video where we made this in the description. For the vegetables, keeping it simple, we're just going to be using a bag of stir fry vegetables, but really you can use whatever you want. Let's get started though. I'm going to get the soy curls soaking and then I'll get started on the rice while they soak. All right, we're gonna get our peanut sesame sauce ready here. Not measuring this or anything like that, but it's a pretty thick sauce as you can see. So to make it a little less thick, I'm going to put in a little bit of pineapple juice. That should be good right there. All right, the soy curls are done soaking here. You can see they expanded quite a bit. So, drain them and then just squeeze all that extra water out without breaking them, obviously. Okay, so now that these are all ready to go, we're actually going to season them up before we cook them, and we're going to cook them separately from the stir fry vegetables for a few minutes before we add in the vegetables and the sauce. So for the seasoning, we're going to throw in a little bit of onion powder. We're using half a teaspoon here. We're using some Umami mushroom seasoning blend. I get this at Target, by the way, if anybody's interested. Same amount, half a teaspoon. Garlic powder, also same amount, half a teaspoon. And last but not least, some poultry seasoning. And also, again, half a teaspoon. And we're just gonna throw in a couple splashes of soy sauce. A little bit more, there we go. And mix it up as best you can. Try to get them all covered. Okay, looks good. They look ready to go. Okay, let's get these soy curls cooking here. I'm just gonna add in barely even, like, I don't know, maybe half a teaspoon of sesame oil there. Might not even be half a teaspoon. Probably gonna end up cooking these guys for about 5-6 minutes. I'm gonna put in just a splash of vegetable broth as well. Okay, so these are looking pretty much done at this point. They all got a little bit blackened, as you can see. Looks good. Okay, let's add in our vegetables. We're gonna turn the heat up a little higher here. Add in a little bit more vegetable broth. We're gonna cover that for maybe 2-3 minutes at the most. Alright, let's uncover this here. And let's put the sauce in. I'm gonna turn that down just a little bit, down to like a medium heat here. You can really smell that pineapple juice in here. It's gonna be nice. All right, I'm gonna cover this back up for about 2 minutes or so here, and it should be done. Okay, so our stir fry using the Butler Soy Curls is ready to go. It's ready to serve. So I'm gonna dish up some rice. We're gonna top it with this stuff. It's gonna be awesome. All right, the dish is all done. Looks amazing. And we're about to give it a taste here. But I threw a few sesame seeds on top just for a little bit of extra crunch, a little bit of extra flavor. Make it look a little nicer as well. All right, here we go. Let's give it a shot. Let me grab one of the pieces of soy curl here. Looks awesome. It smells good. Yeah, adding that pineapple juice to the sauce, that was smart. That was a good move right there. Tastes amazing. I'm gonna eat another piece here. Yeah, that is awesome. All right guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, you wanna see more content like this, and you wanna see the run streak continue. Hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed and you wanna support this channel. Ring the notification bell if you wanna be notified whenever I drop a new video. Till tomorrow, everybody. Take care.